this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your location on Snapchat. So there's two ways to do it. One is in the app and one is just in your regular settings on your phone. So if you're on Snapchat, what you can do is go to the top right corner to the gear icon, and you just want to choose ghost mode. So I already have mine turned on, but you can turn this off and then choose to see who can see your location. But that is one way to have your location turned off on Snapchat. Now, if you want to go an extra step, you can actually go out of Snapchat, go over to your settings, and then go all the way down until you see your privacy and security. So from this point, you want to go to the first option, which is your location services, and then go ahead and scroll down to Snapchat once you find it. We can go here, there you go. And then here you can just hit never, and that way Snapchat will never share your location. It will not have access to it. So those are two really concrete ways to turn off your location. I personally would just recommend going through your settings and your location services, because you can also go through any app that you want, and it's really easy to do in one spot. So that's how you would go about turning off your location on Snapchat. So I hope you found this video helpful and easy to do, and we'll see you in the next one.